Alright, in this video I'm going to solve exponential equations, and this is video 3 of 3. I'm going to do 2 examples, and I'm going to try to do this with my son jumping on my back and doing all sorts of crazy things. One of the examples I wanted to do was log base 2 of 3 plus log base 2 of x is equal to Benji, thank you, is equal to log base 2 of 5 plus log base 2 of x minus 2. Alright, first thing you can realize is they're all base 2. And you should also realize that these are also connected by multiplication, which means you can multiply this and this. You can also multiply this. Benjamin, please stop. And you get 5x minus 10. Because now they're both log base 2, both sides, you can actually just set these values equal to each other. And you get 3x equals 5x minus 10. And I'm going to subtract out the 5x. And so I'm left with negative 2x equals a negative 10. And I'm going to divide by negative 2. And I get x equals 5. And quick inspection, when you do that, this is a positive value and this is a positive value. So that works. Alright. I'm going to try one more question. And this next one's actually quite good. And it's
really good.
Let's see, I had it here before. Log base 5 of x plus 1 minus log base 5 of, let me just start this over. X plus 1 and so this should have been x plus 1 minus log base 5 x minus 1 is equal to 2. And once again, actually, you know what? I'm just going to erase this whole thing. I'm going to start over. Log base 5, and it was x plus 1 minus log base 5 x minus 1 is equal to 2. Because this is separated by division, but they're same base, say log base 5 of x plus 1 over x minus 1 equals 2. And this is actually where a lot of people get stuck. But if you recall, if you have log of a to the base a of b equals c, that becomes a to the power of c equals b. Here's my a, here's my b, here's my c, so I really have 5 squared equals x plus 1 over x minus 1. And so you get 25 over 1 equals x plus 1 over x minus 1. I just put that over 1. I'm going to cross multiply, and you'll get 25x minus 25 equals x plus 1. I'm going to subtract x from both sides, and I'm also going to add 25 to both sides. And that gives me 24x equals 26. I'm going to divide by 24. Divide by 24, and I get x equals 1 and 1/12. Once I get my solution, it's always important to double check just to make sure that 1 and 1/12 will not make any of these values negative. And this one's positive and this one's positive, so my solution checks. X equals 1 and 1/12. If I should probably say, if it does make it negative, then your solution's no good. It's not valid.